Alright guys, y'all can see where we're headed, where I'm headed. Snap-on. It's been a good decade, I ain't lying, a good decade since I've been on a Snap-on truck. I shit you not. I haven't been on here in a decade. Now, you kept it open? Oh, it was some, what you call that? This truck up here, it was locked tight as hell. What you got up here, man? What's up here in my range, in my dollar range? You know I'm a poor man. Huh? Well, I'm looking for that little socket. Let me guess, you didn't have one? Yeah. You gonna give me a discount, man? Oh, God, this is good. What kind of discount you can give me, man? The other Snap-on man keep a bucket of candy on their truck. Where's your candy?
Normally I would.
What's your candy drawer?
With the whole coronavirus stuff.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're not wanting us to have candy on the trucks.
Hey, this the long one everybody was talking about.
Yeah.
So that makes it stronger because it's long, or just reach?
It's not that it's stronger. Well, it just has the same torque, but because of the thinner head and the length, you get into the awkward space.
Ooh, this is a quarter inch too. Trim? Yeah, I guess we're doing dashes and trim and stuff. Come on, man, give me a discount on that thing, man. I'm a poor man. Wow, I know this $5. Wow, yeah, look at that. On this breaker bar? So, guys, Snap-on is top quality. Oh, this for the dual. This is what everybody buying for the dual brake setup.
That or the ratcheting style.
I had to borrow this. Let me get that paid off first. I had to borrow that from a guy, Gary. Yeah, I'm gonna put that video right here, guys. Y'all check that video. Yeah, Gary. I had to borrow Gary's the other day. Yes, sir. Torque wrench. Oh, look at the nice ass digital torque wrench. Ooh, no, that's $5. And man, this little right here, this is what I need. You know what? How much is this? I need this more important than I need that. Yeah. How much is that?
Let's see.
That my bag got stolen. All my tools. Y'all remember my journey got stolen? My tools, my bag was in the car. So we got the car back, but they kept the tool bag. I need that. Forget the other one. I have to do that next time. Let me see if I can. Let me see how much cash I got. So unorganized. Look at this, guys. No wallet. I'm afraid if I have a wallet, I know I don't have $30 in here. Well, you need a down payment and weekly payment, or how are we gonna do this? I'm gonna finish you off next week. I don't like carrying this on. I give you half now. Is that cool? All right, I got 15. All right, guys. We're gonna do it like that. I got to have that Phillip head. Y'all, don't laugh at me. I don't carry a wallet, because if I had all my stuff in a wallet, I would lose. I would lose what? You ain't used to seeing me on the truck? I come on the truck too, sucker. I'm a mechanic too. My man saying what the hell, as if I don't come on the truck that often. I come up here just not every day, or just not every week. So, but Snap-on, man, it's some nice stuff on here. I just can't afford it, guys. I'm a Craftsman Harbor Freight guy. Y'all know me. But unfortunately, the tools I'm getting today, it's not at Harbor Freight. So, one of those, guys. So I'm about to get this little Phillip head 1/4 inch bitch and call it a day. Look at all this stuff. Just the Snap-on image itself is high quality. Nothing bad to say about Snap-on. Except, well, that ain't even bad. And guys, here's a tube. Scan tool, I guess everybody bragging on. Well, I got a coworker that got one of these. He swear by it. So I bought a tool, Eric. You proud of me? Huh? Nah, I can't do that. I don't even want to know what that costs. I see you gonna tell me anyway. I don't want to know. Huh? 500?
505. And then I got it for like 477.
Which one you got? Oh, you don't? Then why? Oh, Kai did get one.
Yeah, Kai's got one. Where is Kai? Is he here today?
I got that shit all back together.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Now you just gotta do the front.
That's a pain in the ass.
It ain't that bad, Eric. Stop being a scary cat.
Oh, yeah.
Here's my $15.
Let's see.
I'll finish you off.
I have you in my system. I have to set you up an account.
Oh, Eric, give me $20. I don't want to do all that. You got a 20 on you? This fool ain't even got a dub. Dude, man, I want to be in your system. Oh, ain't nothing wrong with you. So what you need, some information? Oh, I don't even have that.
Okay, let's do it like this. What's your first name?
Johnny. First name Johnny.
Thomas?
Yep, that's my last name. Oh, this is right here, right? This is one of the most important tools in my toolbox. Well, it was until my bag got stolen. So now I'm back in business. I wish somebody would come ask me to borrow this. That'd be a big no. All right. Hey, I see them guys with them signs on their toolbox say don't ask to borrow my stuff.
You said
I ain't really got nothing to loan. I ain't really got nothing good enough to loan. High quality. I heard that job only paid 4 hours there. You might want to hurry up. But they sold 12 hours worth of goodies for you. So, man, Eric gonna handle it. We're gonna talk about that recall, y'all, later on another video.
leave that alone.
Yeah, I don't know enough about it to discuss it, but. All right, you got me, man? Oh, I get a receipt and everything? I can do this on my taxes?
No. Oh, now they changed the...
Oh, come on, man.
For single, you gotta spend over 12.
Oh, that.
Oh, the small one.
Yeah, I was pissed when they did that shit.
Yeah, man, because Tex was buying stuff they really didn't need. I can imagine y'all sales suffered.
It's not bad, but like even when you do need stuff and you still can't even get your money back or
Yeah.
some money back.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
and if you're married, it's 24.
You heard?
What? Eric, I don't do trim work like you, Eric. I'm just a little screw-up trim guy.
You gonna have a smaller one, it ain't gonna work right.
All right, next week, when you come on? Friday, every Friday? All right, thanks, man. Appreciate you. I just tried to get $20 from you. You won't loan me 20. Let me loan 20. All right, guys. My first Snap-on truck visit in over a decade. Y'all hear me? That's a real cool dude, though. Like I say, my bag hadn't got stolen, guys. I wouldn't need this, but I had to get it this time, guys. So let me get back in the shop and finish up what I was doing. All right, I'll get with y'all later. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.